Hello, how are you? Hope all is well. Hope you're getting outside. Hope you're getting some fresh air, because this video is all about outside. My son's over there in the park playing. I let him come to the park so he can get out more. Do you have children? Are your children going to school? I'm not letting mine go. I'm gonna let them go to homeschool. And we will be finding activities outside of that. But while he's at the park, I figured I'd come and just show you a couple of fragrances. If you're selling fragrances, maybe you carry some of these that I'm gonna show you, or maybe you don't. This is a quick unboxing video. That's what this is. Quick unboxing video. And there's other kids at the park too. I love seeing people at the park right now, because I'm at the park and I don't have a mask. Do you have a mask on when you're outside? It doesn't matter. I don't. It doesn't really matter. All right, so here's my little box. Here's my little box. Let's see. Let's see. Just do some quick unboxing here. I'm at the park. I figured I'd do a video without being on Livingston Avenue, because I want to come to you more. I come to everybody more, but I want to come to you more, by people on YouTube. Maybe share my videos with someone that loves oil fragrances. Share with somebody that you know that needs to earn some extra cash in their business, or just wants to start up a business. This is a great product to start up with, and it's a great product to add to your existing business so people keep coming back. Like, say you do hair and you get your hair done, you're done, but they can come back to you for fragrances. You can mix your own. There's all kinds of stuff you can do. Anyway, a quick unboxing video in the park. These right here are my bottles. They're the bottles that people get for the business bundle startup. So that's what these are. I'm not going to go through that, but that's what these are. And these right here are, let's see, they're almost open. So we'll just do these, see what these are. I really don't know what these are. Let's see. We're gonna open. Bear with me a minute. See if I open. Oh, yeah, these are my drams. These are what comes in the bundle. That's how they look. All right, have a seat here on the ground. It feels good too. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so Invictus by Paco Rabanne. Now I sell these. This is my 4 ounce. I sell my 4 ounce for $65. And these are great if you want to add maybe a scent to your business or to your life. Because you could put these on a light bulb. All my oil fragrance you could put on a lamp, light bulb. While it's cool, once it heats up, you'll smell it all in that area. Just smear a little bit on the light bulb. Anyway, this is Paco Rabanne Invictus. $65 for this size, and then I do other sizes too. And if you get the bundle from me, it comes in these. So that's how that is. Invictus Paco Rabanne. Burberry for men, got a little bit of that. What is this? Red Door. Let's name a couple of them. Red Desire. Have you ever had Red Desire? There's this guy that used to work at the post office, and he used to work at the post office when I was set up on Livingston, which I still am, and he would always come around and say how he hated his job. Anyway, make a long story short, the fire department was hiring. He took the test and he works there now. But anyway, he loves Red Desire. He always gets it from me. And if you see this video, hi, Mr. Desire. But yeah, Red Desire. Gucci Guilty for men. I always carry that. And there's just a bunch of bottles in here. I ordered a bunch of ounces. That's what I did. And what makes my business successful, I think, because a lot of people are like, oh my God, how do you still do this? I don't get my oils from one place, and I don't cut my products. I have 8 distributors that I deal with, and we extract oils. We, me, them, we're a team. We extract oil fragrances, and then we sell them. And other people use them to make perfumes, because this oils in this bunch right here, it has no expiration date, so it's not going to go stale. And no alcohol, so it will not evaporate. Daisy by Marc Jacobs. I got little ounces. Daisy by Marc Jacobs, which is very, very nice. I have some imports too. Black African gold, I do Nak Champa, and I do an imported Indian patchouli. Ooh, yes. What else do I have in here? Let's see. Let's smell this. Somebody asked me for this. Let's smell it. Let's see. Just hang out with me. I'm putting it on. Could you guess what it is? From back in the day. It's called Black Love. It smells good. It's good. It's good. It has a, at first it's like a perfumey kick, and then it branches off to something else. A little bit of woodsy, but I got an ounce bottle, and this is gone. Because most of the things in here I got, people are buying already. And this time in season, I'm purchasing and investing in what sells. But I'm outside, so I've been doing this for quite a while. So I have clientele and people that tell me what they want. Butterfly flower, I have that. I don't know if you're familiar with butterfly flower. Honey Mori, I got Honey Mori for men. Arabian Nights. Arabian Nights is nice. Arabian Night is something that men and women wear, although it's Arabian Night, not N-I-T-E, but K-N-I-G-H-T. Arabian Night. You ready? Arabian Night. What else is in here? Paris Hilton for men, which a lot of people didn't even know about Paris Hilton for men, because I think I started introducing it here where I am, around my way. It's a nice, fresh smell. A lot of people know Paris Hilton and they just think ladies. No, Paris Hilton for men is real popular. It's fresh, it's crisp. It kind of puts you in the mind of Dolce & Gabbana, but not with all the crispiness. It's kind of like, I'm not going to say it's just there, but it's fresh. Paris Hilton for men. That might be one you want to put in your little repertoire of a bag of goody nature fragrances. Paris Hilton for men. Burberry Sport. Burberry Sport is nice. I'm just giving off names. Burberry Sport. Sahara Golden. I don't know if you ever tried that, but Sahara Golden is real pretty and dainty. Sahara Golden, when I put that on, I feel like, yeah? Did you say my name? Are you talking to me? Oh. Thank you. That's how Sahara Golden makes me feel when I wear it. It's real soft, playful, pretty, and very delicate. And yeah, I wear it. Sahara Golden. 1 Million Man by Paco Rabanne, and then 1 Million Lucky, which is the new one. And 1 Million Lucky, if you see this video, hi, there's a female that I sell 1 million Lucky to. It's the new Paco Rabanne, 1 Million Lucky. And she smells amazing with it on her. We can get away with wearing guys' scents. I do. I wear Gucci Guilty a lot, and then I put pink sugar on top of it. But that's just me. Don't tell nobody. What else? Gucci Bamboo. I got the Gucci Bamboo. What other one? Sunflowers, because Barbara loves sunflowers. Sunflowers. And what else? Something else in here. Because I got repeated. Some of them I had 2 ounces of, so that's why I'm not mentioning it. Gucci Guilty, Paris Hilton, Burberry Sport. I got Body, Original Egyptian Musk, and Black Lemonade Water. And that's all I'll say. You're still out there playing. It's a beautiful day. Please get out and enjoy it without a mask on. Thank you for watching the video. Send me an email. A couple people have been emailing me saying they wanted to start a business, and I have responded back. But if you really want to start a business in this season, outside might be the perfect time. What do you think? I think so. Outside might be the perfect time. If you're interested in starting a business outside, I can show you step by step how to start it. Click the link. How do you start a business outside? And let's get started. You, get started. You have any questions? Send me an email. Leave a comment here. Have a great day. I'm feeling good without a mask on. Breathing easy. And I hope you are too.